Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
You can't tell me this not my hair. I'm just saying. Look at the texture on this wig. It looks exactly like my natural hair when I flat iron it. I'm so impressed. So, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm hype. I'm extremely hype about this unit. I'm starting this video off by laying my edges down to prepare to slay this yaki straight headband wig from Yolissa hair. By the way, if you're interested in checking out this wig, I'll link a direct link to Yolissa hair in my description box. Definitely check them out because they killed the game with this headband wig. To me, if you do decide to get this headband wig, get a length that is close to your natural hair, and nobody will not be able to detect that this isn't your natural hair if this mimics the texture of your hair. You know what I'm saying? So this wig is 12 inches long, 180% density, and it's one of the most easiest kinky textures that I have ran my fingers through. I didn't get any shedding, no tangling, which I find that this particular texture rarely tangles like that. Even when it gets older, it just gets better and better. So this is how the wig looks straight out of the package. Once again, I didn't wash it. Bad OhSo, bad OhSo. But I mean, you get to see what you're gonna get, okay? So this is how the wig looks before you add any heat to it, and it already looks so beautiful. This is definitely a shake and go wig. But of course, I wanted to see how this wig would look if I relax the texture just a little bit. So first I'm using my hot comb, and then later on I'm going to pull out my flat iron and add a few curls in it just to see how that would look. It was beautiful. Everything about this wig is beautiful. And even though I didn't wash it, it didn't come with a foul smell or anything. So this wig is definitely a 5 out of 5 if you ask me. I did wear this wig for the whole day, and it just gave me my entire life. You see how well it flows? It's just so beautiful and extremely realistic. Definitely go for a 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch if you want something to look really natural. Absolutely beautiful. And for their 12-inch headband wig, it retails for around $109. And if I have a coupon code, I'll be sure to link that in my description box so you guys can save some money and slay with your girl. Yes, you seen how effortless it was just to bump these ends with a little bit of curlerization? You cannot go wrong with this wig. The price is right, the texture is absolutely gorgeous, it's low maintenance, and you're gonna be out here faking it till you make it with this wig. The perfect throw on and go everyday unit. Yolissa hair. All their information will be linked down in my description box. Be sure to check there. Like I said, the price is right. Let me know in the comment section what you feel about this wig. Would you rock this wig? thumbs up this video and share with anyone who you feel like this video will be helpful to. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you a part of the fam. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.